The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for the following New Jersey counties: Essex, Hudson, Union, Richmond County, New York. Effective until 9:30 p.m. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a tornado warning for Hudson County in northeastern New Jersey, Union County in northeastern New Jersey, southern Essex County in northeastern New Jersey, Richmond County in southeastern New York. Until 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Chatham or over Millburn, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Orange and Union around 9:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Newark and Linden around 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Elizabeth around 9:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Bayonne and Tote Hill around 9:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Tompkinsville and Oakwood around 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Precautionary preparedness actions. This tornado warning replaces the severe thunderstorm warning issued for the same area.